have one pre-lunch session and two post-lunch sessions. Now I very humbly request the senior GK editor, Mr. Zarji Muhammad, to formally welcome the guests and for a brief introductory remark. Thank you so much.
औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। जनाब आगा अशरफ अली साहब, fellow panelists and friends, on behalf of Greater Kashmir Foundation, which is in abbreviation called GK Foundation, I welcome you to this one-day seminar on Kashmir and way forward. Friends, this seminar is being held at a time when on one side we are caught up in depression, in depressing and dismal situation, and on the other side streaks of hope have started appearing on over skies otherwise caused with dark clouds. The seminar is being held at a time when entire Kashmir is drowned in grief over awful, dreadful happenings in Shopaya. The rape and murder of a young school girl and a pregnant woman had left all of us shell-shocked. This shameful and horrifying incident is reminiscent of many other such horrifying incidents that have been occurring in our state for past many decades. This incident that took place in Shopaya is a blatant reminder of the uncertainty that has been prevailing in this state for past 62 years. The clouds of uncertainty have been looming large for all these 6 decades, and in this process, what has happened, all of you are fully aware of that. We have lost, during only last 20 years, about 1 lakh of people. And when we take a cumulative figure of the human losses suffered during past 60 years, is almost about 500,000. The seminar is being held at a time, at the same time the seminar is being held at a time when a thaw has started in the relations between India and Pakistan. Friends, I will not be dwelling in detail on the genesis of the Kashmir dispute. We have so many scholars here, eminent people who will be talking about it. But there are people who have been looking at, who have been saying that the accession with India is final. It is irrevocable. This is one class of thinking. The other class of people say that the accession was conditional. It was to be ratified by the will of the people. Then there is another section of the society that says that the accession has not been there at all. There is no instrument of accession. Some say that the relation between India and us is governed by Article 370 of Indian Constitution, and they are looking, their dispute is over the quantum of accession and not on the quality of accession. Friends, we see that in this scenario of agreements and disagreements, there is an agreement on one thing, that the uncertainty has been prevailing in the state of Jammu and Kashmir for past 62 years. The cause of this uncertainty, from whatever angle you look, the economics looks from the economic angle, we have suffered economically. the politician who looks it from the political point of view, we have suffered politically. And what has happened basically because of this uncertainty, as I said earlier, that we have lost thousands and thousands of people over young blood. 75% of the people who were killed during last 20 years have been non-combatants. They have not been the one who had guns in their hands. There have been thousands of widows all around. There are hundreds of orphanages housing thousands of orphans because of this uncertainty, nothing other than that. So when we look at this whole scenario, it is the uncertainty that is to be addressed from all angles, whatever your belief, whatever your political ideology is. The question of uncertainty is to be addressed. We see when we look at the past 60 years or 62 years, there have been dialogue between India and Pakistan. There have been marathon sessions. We are reminded of the Bokul Swaran Singh marathon sessions between India and Pakistan. But why all these things did not materialize under this uncertainty? So friends, the objective of this seminar is to, now again, when we see that in 2004, India and Pakistan started a dialogue, and there were hopes that this dialogue is going to culminate into an agreement. But unfortunately, if we believe that there an agreement had already been reached, but it could not be signed because of India gives its own version. They say that in 2007, Pakistan got embroiled in a controversy that didn't allow the agreement to be signed. And Pakistan has its own version. But in the process, what has been happening, that the uncertainty has been prevailing. The Greater Kashmir Foundation thought of involving the civil society for addressing this issue, because in Greater Kashmir, we believe that we are not just an information disseminating service, but we owe certain responsibility towards the society. As a social organ of this society, we thought that we must involve the civil society in addressing this issue. That is the objective of this seminar. With these words, I welcome once again all of the participants. Thank you very much.
The state has suffered politically and economically, and it's the question of uncertainty that has to be addressed irrespective of different ideologies. That was Mr. Zarji Muhammad, our senior GK editor. Now I honorably request our honorable chief guest, Professor Agha Ashraf Ali, for his inaugural remarks. Professor.